Hello everyone, this is Kanksha Gangapuram and you're watching Hybiz News.
Global technology brand OnePlus officially launched OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2, available exclusively in India. Alongside its newest flagship smartphone, the OnePlus 10 Pro, which will be available in India, Europe and North America. OnePlus also launched a new colorway for the OnePlus Buds Pro called Radiant Silver in India, Europe and North America that replicates the look and feel of stainless steel. Here are some features of OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2. Beyond basic IC, enduring battery life with fast charging, immersive sound quality, comfortable and durable design, pricing and availability. OnePlus is a global mobile technology brand challenging conventional concepts of technology. Created around the never settle mantra, OnePlus creates exclusively designed devices with the premium built-in quality and high-performance hardware. OnePlus strives on cultivating strong bonds and growing together with its community of users and fans.
Thank you for watching Hybiz News.